guys, and welcome to my new segment, 1 Minute News You Can Use. Today's topic, garlic. So we know garlic smells, but we love how it tastes. And that's okay because it also has a lot of health benefits. So today what I'm gonna do is tell you in 1 minute all you need to know about garlic. I'm gonna put 1 minute on the timer. All right, let's go. Did you guys know garlic is really good for the heart, and it also can help prevent high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and even prevent stroke. Garlic can help fight certain types of cancers, colon cancer, breast cancer, and even prostate cancer. Garlic can help with hair growth. Yes, if you use garlic in a mixture with honey, leave it on the scalp for about 20 minutes, and then rinse it with a mild shampoo, you're gonna have glowy, flowy hair real soon, boo. Garlic is an antifungal, which means it helps fight any type of fungal infections you may be having. Fighting a cold, garlic can definitely help you. I use garlic as a supplement and in my food to help me feel better. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory effects and antioxidant effects, and so it can help fight acne and psoriasis. The compound that's in it is called allicin. Allicin is what gives it that strong smell. However, allicin also gives it the benefits that you need. Be careful though, because if you eat too much garlic, you can get a tummy ache. Okay, time's up. That's all for today's 1 minute news you can use. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you have any other ways that you use garlic.